It's hashtag TBT. And for Throwback Thursday this week, we have the final part of museum volunteer Michael McBride's epic San Luis and Rio Grande Railroad video, originally filmed in May of 2008.
The dome car from La Vida arrives and, after letting its passengers off, backs to the Y where it waits for the 12:30 Alamosa to Monte Vista train to position itself at the station. After the La Vida train turns on the Y, it backs up to the Monte Vista train for passengers to board. After having ridden the Monte Vista train earlier in the day, we paced the train on our way to Crete. When we caught up with the train on its return from Monte Vista, we discovered that it had picked up 24 freight cars to drop in Alamosa for the night freight train to Walsenburg, where the San Luis and Rio Grande will interchange with the BNSF and the Union Pacific.
Do you have any home movies or photographs that feature the Colorado Railroad Museum, the museum's equipment, or Colorado railroads in general? We'd love to share them. Contact the Colorado Railroad Museum's Multimedia Coordinator, Matthew Isaacs, at mattew@crrm.org or call 720-274-5141.
After checking out of our hotel on the 26th, we stopped at the station and saw the daily routine starting again. We stayed long enough to watch the Antonito train leave while Engine 18 was getting ready for the La Vida train. Alamosa now sees 3 passenger train departures in the morning, 2 trains in the middle of the day, and 3 trains in the evening, just like the Rio Grande did when they founded Alamosa.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Commenting and sharing in particular may qualify as virtual engagements for important funding programs like the SCFD.